Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to make white empty space into Shape Illustrator using a simple and practical method. This tutorial shows you how to turn negative space into an actual editable shape. Step 1. Look closely at your artwork and identify the negative or white empty space between the surrounding shapes. This step is important because Illustrator treats this area as part of the overall object until you isolate it. Step 2. Double left-click on the outer surrounding shape to enter isolation mode. Then click and drag over the area around the negative space you want to extract. This allows Illustrator to recognize that empty area as a selectable region. Step 3. Once the selection is active, drag it out or separate it from the original object, and you'll see that the white empty space is now its own shape. You can delete the original object if needed and freely edit the new shape. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Illustrator tutorials.